Have you ever seen an owl in space? No, we're not talking about a space bird. We're talking about something truly magical, a galaxy merger that looks exactly like an owl's face. This is the story of the cosmic owl. Astronomers were using super powerful telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, ALMA, and the VLA when they accidentally found something amazing. Two ring-shaped galaxies crashing into each other, perfectly forming two bright eyes and a beak, just like an owl staring from space. These galaxies didn't just bump into each other, they had a head-on collision. This rare crash sent gas and stars flying outward, creating beautiful glowing rings. Each galaxy has a supermassive black hole, and they're both active, sending out powerful energy and even radio jets. Right in the middle, in the beak area, stars are being born super fast. This is called a starburst, and it's triggered by the crash and the jet from one of the black holes. Scientists call it the cosmic owl because of its beautiful shape, but it's more than just pretty. It gives us a glimpse of how galaxies grow, how black holes feed, and how stars are born, all at once. So next time you look up at the stars, remember, somewhere out there, an owl made of galaxies is watching over us from 8 billion light years away.